Hey, Tom Matson here, Chief Movement Maker at Embark and Entrepreneur Empowerment Institute, with a hearty testimonial for Carlene Hebert and her team with the amazing chatbot sequences that we hired her to do and implement for our masterclass. I got to tell you, I was skeptical because we've done several chatbot sequences before, both internally on our own and externally hiring outside parties. And frankly, they didn't make much of a difference. But Carlene took the time to understand what we were doing, to understand what our message was all about, and then to set up a sequence that really improved our engagement. In fact, we were getting a show-up rate for our masterclass of somewhere between 25 and 34%. And we had been working on this for a couple of years, moving it up from 21%. So we were, frankly, quite happy to get in that range. The very first time we rolled out Carlene's system, we actually achieved 40.1%. So it was an all-time record-setting turnout for us. In addition, not only was there a higher show-up rate, the stick rate over the 3 hours, which we typically average around 87%, was slightly over 100%, which means not only were they more interested and showed up, but they stuck around for the entire 3 hours, almost to a person. Really pleased with the work she did, the support and the understanding. If you're thinking of hiring someone to help leverage your communications, I heartily recommend Carlene and her team. Cheers.